Michael Fish.
Thanks for being with us tonight. Boy, it's getting noisy in some parts of the area with a front just kind of hanging around the southern part of the state. And I think actually the warm front is kind of situated right over the Fox Valley, Sheboygan, Manitowoc as you go up a couple thousand feet. And that's why we're seeing a lot of the development there. But look to the south. You have Chicago at almost 80, and then it's 41 in Green Bay. Almost a 40-degree difference. And just a couple hundred miles, that's quite a difference, by the way. Now, we do have actually a severe thunderstorm watch for our southern counties like Fond du Lac and Sheboygan, that going until 10 o'clock at the latest because we're still seeing development out to the south and west of there. And as far as temperatures are concerned, 52 degrees should be our average high, but we haven't made it there because, of course, we have that front that's south to the area. Now, we've got 50 in Milwaukee. That's what we made it to today so far. Look at the huge difference. 84 in Des Moines. That's where most of the energy is, but still, we're starting to sneak some of that in a couple thousand feet up. And it's not really showing on the surface that much because it's not that warm, but still, you see it just a bit warmer in Fond du Lac, 48, 49 in Sheboygan. Head to the north, it's definitely cooler. 39 in Appleton, even though parts of the area are seeing the thunderstorms, but the clash of the air mass is probably a couple thousand feet up. So satellite radar series of low pressures, one here with a warm front and then a cool front going to be sweeping through, another low way to the south and west. That's going to affect us tomorrow. Now I want to show you actually our Viper HD radar because we have plenty of thunderstorm development. We've had reports of damage rolling on through Calumet County, parts of Manitowoc, Sheboygan, even a few parts of Fond du Lac County, some reports of some trees down, a couple power poles down. So these are some fairly significant thunderstorms as they roll their way onto the east. But look at this, out to the west, still more development. Now towards the Dells, there was ping pong sized hail there, but now that storm is weakening just a bit. But still, we could see some of these strong storms still rolling through Fond du Lac, Sheboygan counties. Might just clip still the Fox Valley a little bit as we head throughout the next couple of hours. And gradually, this will start to pivot its way through southeast Wisconsin as the night goes on. You go to the north, not much is going on at all. So a frontal boundary at the surface to the south, but probably a couple thousand feet up. It's hanging right about here, affecting some of us with some pretty significant storms. Now tomorrow, we start off all right, but here comes the next area of low pressure. That's going to bring us more rain and then a quick shot of snow. I'll get to that in a little bit. So there's our low pressure bringing the fronts with it as the night goes on. It's not an all-night thunderstorm event, but still, some of you have really been seeing it. Here comes the secondary low pressure on the backside of it, the colder air, and that brings us a quick shot of snow the way it looks right now. This is a preliminary look, but as far as snow, mainly on grassy surfaces or could be a bit on the pavement overnight Sunday into Monday morning, 1 to 2 inches, mainly north of the Fox Valley. That does include Green Bay. Might have to tweak that a little bit as we get a little bit closer. But tonight, some showers and storms, especially to the south. 37 degrees. Sunday, more showers developing as the day goes on. 48 with falling temperatures. Sunday night, rain changes over to snow. The way it looks right now, 1 to 2 inches, mainly on the grass, and that mainly like Green Bay and areas to the north. And then we start off Monday with a chance of a couple snow showers and 41 degrees. So some of you, it's going to be a little bit noisy as we head through the night. And tomorrow, we start to see a soaker develop, and that goes into Sunday night. Cassandra, we're going to have a cold couple of days, Monday and Tuesday, even part of Wednesday before we rebound back into the 50s. So we'll keep an eye on these storms as they roll through parts of our area, mainly